Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with two things today. This is an old Sony. The model number is, let me hide the customer information here. The model number is KDL-46V5100 and the board number is 1879239-13. Customer brought it with a complaint that the HDMIs did not work, and this is the HDMI port. That board can be found on eBay. This is an old TV, but the customer said that it was very good, and per our advice and detailed information, we told him that pretty much anything that he buys, as of today, this is 11 years old, 2009, it's 2020. I told him that any TV that he buys, new one, is gonna cost less money for the same functionality, notably less money, but is most likely going to last 2 to 3 years before it goes out. So he decided to go with it, and the problem was the HDMI did not work, and the first suspect was the HDMI selector, and the original one is the one that's on the left, and this is the second reason for my video. This is, I don't know if you can see it, silicon image 9187CNU. It's not very well seen, but it is 91. Nope, sorry, it's not a good focus. So this is silicon image 9187CNU, and we did not have that. And of course there is no online documentation about data sheets for those. What we had is silicon image 9287BCNU, which is very commonly used in LGs, the LX, LE series, some of those, and possibly some of the plasmas, some of the older visuals. Anyhow, I did replace that and it does work. So this is to show that silicon image 9287BCNU is backward compatible with silicon image 9187CNU. This is the old chip. All HDMI ports work. There's no point in me showing you that they do. It's not gonna really convince you anything. This is just an information. Hopefully it will help someone who is searching for replacement chip for the other one. Best of luck.